right, don't touch him. Turn around, look at me. Grayson. How was that, Ray?
Go, Lauren! Go, Lauren! Whoop, woo!
Come on, you have to get up there.
Why are you sad, Gracie?
Because he didn't do statue.
He what? Because he turned into a statue? Oh.
I got it. Yeah.
Look at me. Okay, ready? Smile.
Back up so you can see his eyes. Ready, say cheese!
Go look at the Ninjago statue.
Oh my god. A cow.
No way!
His statue?
No, he's just tired.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yep.